Skip the content. Home remote sensing 50 satellites in space, types and uses of satellites. Remote sensing. 50 satellites in space, types and uses of satellites. By GIS-Geography, last updated, June 14, 2021. Earth Satellite List. Do you want to learn about the different types of satellites in space? How about the uses of satellites for studying our planet? From weather forecasts to precise positioning, here are the 50 most iconic satellites put up in space. Let's get started. Table of Contents. Open Data Satellites. Isang Landsat. Landsat's incredible long-lived legacy has archived Earth's history for over 40 years. With countless applications, it even found the island Landsat in Canada. Image credit, NASA. Dalawang Sentinel. As part of the Copernicus program, Sentinel's fleet of 6 missions is a game changer. Specifically, Sentinel-2 is a clear upgrade to Landsat, except that it's missing the thermal band. Image credit, ESA. Tatlong Terra. As part of NASA's multi-talented A-Train fleet, Terra is the jack of all trades. For example, Aster models terrain, MODIS classifies land cover and MOPITT monitors air quality. Image credit, NASA. Apat na Envisat. Before losing contact in 2012, Envisat did it all. For instance, it studied the oceans, terrain and atmosphere. But now, it's not operational. Because of its massive frame 8 tons, it is a candidate to be removed from orbit. Image credit, Airbus at Defense, ESA. Timang Corona. The Corona satellite was a strategic, James Bond-style military satellite in the 1960s that spied on the Soviet Union. But now, archaeologists and other interest groups freely use these declassified images. Image credit, National Reconnaissance Office. 6 na Earth Observing 1 mission, EO1. The goal of Earth Observing ISA EO1 was to propel science and innovation through experimental instrumentation. For example, Hyperion produces 220 spectral bands which enabled us to better characterize minerals. Image credit, NASA. 7 China-Brazil Earth Resource Satellite, CBERS. China and Brazil unite in a joint quintuple mission to monitor everything from agriculture, environment, water pollution and urban planning in their respective countries. Image credit, CBERS, INPE. 8 Project for Onboard Autonomy Proba. Probo is a micro-cube-lukang satellite with 30-meter hyperspectral data. Using its dexterous viewing angles, the Probo satellite produced the world-renowned Global Vegetation Archive. Image credit, ESA. Commercial satellites. Siyam na Worldview. Digital Globe's cutting-edge high-resolution satellite is ridiculously crisp 31 centimeters. Worldview imagery is so sharp that you can almost see license plates. In fact, it's the only commercial satellite that can deliver at this resolution. Image courtesy Karapatang-Ari 2020 Digital Globe. 10 PlanetScope Dove. PlanetScope is low-cost, lightweight and low-orbit from the company called Planet. This orchestra of microsatellites nicknamed Doves orbit the Earth in concert scanning at 3 hanggang 5 meter resolution images. Image credit, Planet. 11 Satellite pour l'observation de la Terre Spot. In 1986, France's Spot 1 satellite was cutting edge. Since then, it has captured Earth's vegetation, elevation and even the Chernobyl disaster. Image credit, Centre National d'Etudes Spatiales CNES. 12 Radar Saturday. RADARSAT-2 is Canada's space radar monitoring mission. As part of the Radar Saturday constellation mission, 3 C-band satellites will hone in on the Great White North's landmass. Image credit, Karapatang-ari Canadian Space Agency. 13 Akonos. Akonos was a satellite marvel in its time. In fact, it was the first commercial satellite that was granted a license in America. But Akonos 1 never made it to space. Akonos 2 did and was renamed Akonos. Image courtesy Karapatang-ari 2020 Digital Globe. 14 QuickBird. QuickBird is versatile and cost-effective, delivering optical imagery at 60 centimeters. But in 2015, it was decommissioned and no longer serves the community. Image courtesy Karapatang-ari 2020 Digital Globe. 15 Resource Saturday. Originally,